Hello students, today we will solve practice set 2.1. Question number 1. Identify with the reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplet. The first one is 3, 5, 4. We know that if square of the largest number is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two numbers, then that triplet is Pythagorean triplet. So first we'll find out 5 square is equal to 25. Second, 3 square plus 4 square we'll find out. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, addition is 25. So from statement 1 and 2, what I will get? 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, and therefore 354 is a Pythagorean triplet. Second example, 4, 9, 12. First statement number 1, 12 square is 144. Sum of squares of remaining two numbers, 4 square plus 9 square, 16 plus 81, 97. So from 1 and 2, what I will get? 12 square is not equal to 4 square plus 9 square, and therefore 4, 9, 12 is not Pythagorean triplet. Now you can solve remaining one. 5, 12, 13, 24, 70, 74, 10, 24, 27, and the last one 11, 60, 61. Solve this using similar method. Second one, in figure, angle MNP is 90 degree, segment NQ perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. MQ is 9, QP is 4, find NQ. Here in right angle triangle, altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse, and therefore in triangle MNP, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree, segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. This is given. So we'll use geometric mean property. NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. Therefore NQ square is equal to 9 into 4. So NQ square is equal to 36. Taking square root on both sides, we'll get NQ is equal to 6 units. Question number 3. In figure, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree, segment PM perpendicular to segment QR. Q dash M dash R, PM is 10, QM is 8, find QR. Again here, altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse, so we'll use geometric mean property. In triangle PQR, angle QPR is 90 degree, segment PM perpendicular to hypotenuse QR such that Q dash M dash R, and therefore PM square is equal to QM into MR. That reason is geometric mean property. Substituting the values, 10 square is equal to 8 into MR, 100 is equal to 8 into MR. So I will get MR is equal to 100 upon 8, that is MR is equal to 12.5. Now we'll find out QR. QR is equal to QM plus MR as Q dash M dash R, that is 8 plus 12.5, that is 20.5. Question number 4. See figure. Find RP and PS using the information given in triangle PSR. Here in triangle PSR, we know that angle P is 30 degree, angle S is 90 degree, and SR is 6 unit. So here one of the angle is 30 degree. We'll find out remaining angle. In triangle PSR, angle P is 30 degree, angle S is 90 degree. So remaining angle R is equal to 60 degree. Therefore triangle PSR definitely 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. We know that if triangle is 30, 60, 90 degree, then side opposite to 30 is half of the hypotenuse. Therefore SR is equal to half of PR. Reason, side opposite to 30 degree. 6 is equal to half of PR. PR is equal to 12 units. We know that PS is side opposite to 60 degree, and we know that side opposite to 60 is root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. So PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 12. So final answer is PS is equal to 6 root 3 units. Next question. Here activity is given for finding AB and BC with the help of information given in figure. Complete following activity. First one. AB is equal to BC. This is given. So angle BAC is 45 degree. And therefore triangle ABC is 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. We know that if triangle is 45, 45, 90 degree, sides forming right angle, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 into AC. That is 1 upon root 2 into root 8. We know that root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. Substituting the value 1 upon root 2 into 2 root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled and you will get AB is equal to BC is equal to 2 units. Find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. Here name of the square is not given. So we'll assume let quadrilateral PQRS be a square whose diagonal PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So PQ is equal to QR is equal to x sides of square are equal. So in triangle PQR, we know that angle Q is 90 degree as it is angle of a square. Using Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Substituting the values, 10 square is equal to x square plus x square. 100 is equal to 2x square. X square is equal to 50. So we'll get x is equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. Now I have to find out perimeter. What is perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. That is 4 into, substitute the value of side 5 root 2. You will get perimeter of a square is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Question number 7. In figure, angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. FG is perpendicular to ED. GD is equal to 8. FG is equal to 12. Find EG, FD and EF. Here, right angle triangle, altitude is drawn on the hypotenuse and therefore we know that FG square is equal to DG into GE. The reason is geometric mean property. 12 square is equal to 8 into GE. So 12 square is 144 is equal to 8 into GE. GE is equal to 144 upon 8, that is 18 units. Now consider triangle DGF. This is right angle triangle. I know the value of two sides, that is GD and DF. So using Pythagoras theorem, I will find out the value of DF. Now to find EF, I will consider triangle EGF. In EGF, I know that GE is 18, GF is 12, hypotenuse EF I have to find out. So I will use Pythagoras theorem. EF square is equal to GE square plus GF square, that is 18 square plus 12 square, 324 plus 144, that is equal to 468. So EF is equal to square root of 468 and that is EF is equal to square root of 468, that is 6 root 13 units. Question number 8. Find the diagonal of rectangle whose length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Here, I will assume quadrilateral ABCD as rectangle, where AB is 35 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter. I have to find out AC. So statement 2. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree as it is the angle of rectangle. So I will use Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substituting the value, AC square is equal to 35 square plus 12 square. AC square is equal to 1225 plus 144. AC square is equal to 1369. AC is equal to 37 centimeter, and therefore the final answer, the diagonal of a rectangle, is 37 centimeter. Question number 9. In figure, M is the midpoint of side QR, angle PRQ is 90 degree. Prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. In triangle PQR, angle R is 90 degree, so I can use Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square. Statement number 2. In triangle PRM, R is 90 degree, so PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. Again, I will use Pythagoras theorem. PM square I will keep as it is, PR squares also I will keep as it is. Instead of RM, I can write half of QR, as M is a midpoint of QR. PM square is equal to PR square plus 1/4 QR square. Multiplying both side by 4, I will get 4PM square is equal to 4PR square plus QR square. Therefore, 4PM square is equal to, I will split 4PR square as 3PR square plus PR square plus QR square. So the next step is 4PM square is equal to 3PR square plus this PR square plus QR square. I know that is equal to PQ square from statement number 1. Thus I prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. Last question, question number 10. Walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that its top just reaches the window of a building at the height of 4 meter. On turning the ladder over to the other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building at the height of 4.2 meter. Find the width of the street. I will first draw figure. In the figure, segment XB and segment YD represent the walls of the two buildings on the either side of the street BD. Segment AC represents the first position of ladder. Segment CE represents the second position of the ladder. Therefore, AC and CE, length of the ladder, that is 5.8 meter. From the information it is given, AB is 4 meter, ED is 4.2 meter. So using Pythagoras in triangle ABC, find BC. In triangle CDE, using Pythagoras theorem, again find CD, as we know CE and DE. Once you get length of BC and length of CD, add BC plus CD to find the width of the street. This example you have to solve your own.